Hello, nature adventurers and peace seekers. Today, we are going to step into a world of calm and beauty through the eyes of the poet W.B. Yeats in his beautiful poem, The Lake Isle of Innisfree. Together, we will follow his thoughts and dreams line by line to feel the peace and joy he finds in nature. Here, the poet begins by saying that he will get up and leave. He wants to go to Innisfree, a small island he loves. This shows his strong wish to leave his current life and start fresh in nature. Next, he tells us he will build a small house there using simple materials like clay and sticks. This shows he wants a very simple life away from luxury. Then he imagines planting 9 rows of beans and keeping a beehive. This means he will grow his own food and live in harmony with nature. He says he will live alone in a small open space where the sound of bees fills the air. This makes us feel the peace and quiet he dreams of. After that, he believes he will find peace there because in nature, peace comes slowly and gently. This shows how different nature is from the busy city. He describes peace as if it falls from the morning mist to the place where crickets sing. This makes us imagine the calm early morning sounds. He then says that at midnight the stars shine and at noon the sunlight makes the scene glow warmly. This shows how nature is beautiful at all times of the day. In the evening, he sees small birds called linnets flying around. This adds to the peaceful picture he is painting. Here, the poet repeats that he will go to Innisfree because both during the day and night he cannot stop thinking about it. He says he can hear the gentle sound of water hitting the shore. This shows how real and close the memory feels to him. Even when he is standing on the dull, grey streets of the city, his mind is still at Innisfree. Finally, he says he hears the lake's sound deep inside his heart. This means his love for Innisfree is strong and unshakable. So, my dear adventurers, the Lake Isle of Innisfree reminds us that no matter where we are, the peace of nature can live in our hearts. Even if we can't always escape to a quiet lake or a green meadow, we can carry that calm inside us. Thank you for joining me on this nature journey. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can keep exploring the beauty of nature together. Thank you.